Have you ever looked at the mirror and noticed brown patches, black dots, or uneven skin tone on your face? These dots, patches, or discoloration are known as hyperpigmentation. And while human beings are not meant to look perfect, hyperpigmentation can cause serious stress and discomfort for many people worldwide. The fear of these marks getting worse or never going away is real and can be overwhelming. But in today's video, we will explore all the skincare options from the Ordinary to combat hyperpigmentation. The Ordinary is famous for their science-backed, effective formulation and offer a variety of products specifically designed for this concern. Whether you're just starting your skincare journey or dealing with more severe concerns, I have some powerful skincare recommendations for you all. So let's dive in and tackle those skin issues together. Hello, this is Diba, and today's quest is to discover top Ordinary products to treat hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is one of the most common skin concerns people face worldwide. So let's start by understanding what hyperpigmentation actually is. What is hyperpigmentation? Hyperpigmentation is a natural defense mechanism employed by our skin to shield itself from UV radiation. This can lead to different types of pigmentation issues, such as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. It happens when there is an injury or trauma to the skin from acne, friction, wound, disease, picking at the skin, or using harsh physical tools. Another type is solar lentiginous or age spots. These spots are harmless and usually affect people over the age of 40. They are caused by excessive exposure to the UV rays. Melasma is another type. Melasma is caused by hormonal fluctuations in pregnancy, certain medications, heat, stress, as well as excessive sun exposure. Hyperpigmentation can also appear as freckles or an uneven skin tone. The specific type of hyperpigmentation experience depends on what causes them and how your body makes melanin. And here comes the role of the Ordinary. The Ordinary stands out for its affordable range of products containing science-backed ingredients to help with hyperpigmentation. Now, before I delve deeper into the Ordinary product, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get more informative videos like this. How to choose products targeting hyperpigmentation. The key to tackling hyperpigmentation effectively lies in choosing the product containing the right ingredients from the Ordinary. What are the right ingredients? Ingredients that can inhibit tyrosinase, ingredients that can increase cell turnover, ingredients that can inhibit tyrosinase. Our skin cells contain enzymes called tyrosinase. Have you ever wondered why we get darker spots after being in the sun, or if we injure our skin? This is because tyrosinase communicates with the melanocytes, which produce more pigment to protect our skin from UV rays or trauma. Now, what if we could stop this process and prevent our skin from forming those brown spots? That's where tyrosinase inhibitors come into play. These ingredients can stop tyrosinase from communicating with melanocytes, preventing the transfer of pigment to our skin cells. Think of tyrosinase inhibitors as peacekeepers, stopping the signal before it can cause unwanted pigmentation. Now let's look at the products from the Ordinary that contains these powerful ingredients. Niacinamide. Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, is a true multitasker in skincare. It not only inhibits tyrosinase but also is a great antioxidant. The Ordinary's niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% serum features niacinamide as its main active ingredient. This lightweight serum can be used once every day, either in the morning or in the evening. Now let's talk about retinoids, specifically retinol, known as vitamin A. Retinol is a powerful ingredient that interacts with melanocytes, helping to correct their functions and reduce excess pigment. It also increases cell turnover and can reverse sun damage by affecting DNA. So it's a perfect ingredient to tackle stubborn skin issues like hyperpigmentation. The Ordinary offers multiple retinol serums such as these. You can start with any of the gram-active retinoid products from the Ordinary. But after your skin gets used to it, I recommend switching to the retinols in squalane for more effective results. Use the retinol product at night, after cleansing, and before moisturizing. Alpha-Arbutin. Alpha-Arbutin is another great ingredient for reducing hyperpigmentation. The Ordinary Alpha-Arbutin 2% plus HA contains a beginner-friendly percentage of arbutin. Use it 4 to 5 times a week at night after cleansing. Vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that shields against free radical damage and also is a tyrosinase inhibitor, preventing excess pigment protection. It also brightens the overall skin tone. The Ordinary has vitamin C suspension 23% plus HS pairs 2%, which contains 23 ascorbic acid, the gold standard of vitamin C. However, this is not a beginner-friendly product. So if you have never used vitamin C products before, start with lower percentage products. Azelaic acid. Are you pregnant and looking for a pregnancy-safe option? The Ordinary Azelaic acid suspension 10% is perfect for you. This gentle serum decreases the production of melanin, helps with redness and rosacea, controls acne, and also works as an antioxidant to reduce free radical damage. Ingredients that increase cell turnover. Ingredients that increases the cell turnover rate of our skin are called exfoliating products. They help shade excess dead skin cells from the upper layer of our skin, fade dark spots and suntans, and improve skin texture and tone. Number 1 product in this category from the Ordinary is AHA, such as the Ordinary Lactic Acid 5% plus HA. This is a gentle exfoliant and good for beginners. Another option is glycolic acid 7% exfoliating toner, which is stronger than lactic acid and works well for evening out skin tone. Next, we have BHA products. The Ordinary has 3 popular products containing BHA or salicylic acid. These exfoliating products are for more advanced users. Once you have used AHAs and your skin has gotten used to it, then you can move to BHA for better and faster results. All these exfoliating products should not be used more than 3 times a week. Follow the usage guidelines on the labels. Have you tried any of these products from the Ordinary? How did they work for you? Let me know in the comment box below because I love to hear your experiences. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps grow my channel and continue making more content like this. See you next time. Until then, take care of yourself and don't forget to love the skin you're in. This is Diba signing off today from Diba's Quest.